Park, and I teach AP Environmental Science at Huntington North High School. And on behalf of our class, I would like to thank you for purchasing the DIY ornament in a bag. A few years ago, I had the opportunity to travel to Australia to learn some dot painting techniques. I've been interested in this for quite some time because the Aboriginal Australians had a really deep connection to their environment, specifically the Great Barrier Reef, and they were able to tell stories through dot painting. So let's dig into the bag and see what's in your bag. Inside your bag, there's some hot chocolate and a candy cane, which are perfect to enjoy while dot painting. You also have a Christmas tree template. You have your wooden ornaments. You have your string to tie onto your wooden ornament. You have 3 different colors. And you have different painting tools that you can use to make dots and to paint with. So, let's start with what you're going to paint. As a suggestion, we have given you a Christmas tree template, though you don't have to do a Christmas tree. If you'd rather be creative and make snowmen or snowflakes or anything else related to the holiday season, you're the boss of your masterpiece. But if you would like to use the template, you just simply place the template on the ornament, outline it with a pencil, and then you have some choices. You can either color it or paint it in, like you see I've done with this one. Or if you'd rather, you could begin your dot painting masterpiece by actually placing dots as the outline of your Christmas tree. Again, entirely your choice. Now, to make your dots, you have some different tools. You have the opposite end of your paintbrush. You have the little pointed end of this tool, and you have the other end makes a large size dot. And it's very simple to do. You simply dip the tip that you would like to make your dot with, and then press it onto your ornament. If at any time you need to change colors, you don't even need to get water. Just get a paper towel, wipe it off, and you're ready to move on. If you'd like a really small dot, you use the other end, and you can make tiny dots with it onto your ornament. Again, entirely your choice. If you would like a medium-sized dot, you can turn your paintbrush over and use the opposite end of that as well. So eventually, you're going to have a creation with a lot of little tiny dots on it. And again, the Christmas tree is simply a suggestion. Now, when you are finished, you simply tie your string onto your ornament. This is a sample that I created to show you. And again, feel free to create anything that you want. It's your masterpiece. So again, on behalf of the AP Environmental Science class at Huntington North High School, thank you so much for supporting our program, and have a wonderful time with painting your ornament.